In this part, we are going to add these tooltips under the search bar. So we have to back to the project, and under the component folder, we create a new file called searchtip.js, and then we type _rafce, and then we add the class name. We add the search tip so we can use this later, and we have to use the absolute because we want to place under the search bar. Because if you look at the headers, we already set this as relative, so we have to use absolute so we can paste inside the input component. So we back to the search tip, and then we have the top 10 units, so it pastes 10 units from the top, and then we have the background white, and the width is 96, and we have to use this left 50% and negative 50% for the translate X, so we can place center of the input box. And we also make the shadows, and we have the paddings, and also make a round the corners to these tooltips. So now if we type some word here, search tooltips, and then we back to the headers, and then right inside this input area, and at the bottom we type search tip. And now we import this on the top, and then we go to our website, and now you already can see the tooltips already at the center of the input box, and it also has the shadows and also a round corner. And then we are going to add this recent and also the clear all buttons on the top. So we go to the search tip, and we replace this with a div, and the div we use the fact box which will place the recent and clear all in a row, and we have the blue color, and we use a extra small text, and we have the bold text for both these two elements, and we use the justify between, so we have the spacings between these two elements, and we also has the margin bottoms of 5 units because we want to make some margin in between. So if we look at our website now, you can see we already has the recent and also clear all buttons inside our tooltips. And now we are going to add these avatars, the title and the description, and also this cross button. So we back to our search tip, and now we are going to import the icon, import the plus icon, because we will use the plus icon to create this cross icon. And then next to this div, we are going to create another div, and this div holds the avatar and also the title and description, and we place this using flags, so this part and the cross icon will align in a row, and also we have the item center, so this will align vertically center, so this is at the center vertically, and this is also center vertically. And then we use this div to hold the avatars and also the content, and this is from the Daisy UI. We just copy it from the Daisy UI website, and of course later you can replace this picture with your own picture. And this one, we have the padding left 4, so we have some paddings at here, and we also want to use semi-bold style, and also the text is medium for the title, and also we have the gray color for the descriptions. And then we use the plus icon. It has the height and width of 5 units, and this is great in colors. And because this is a plus icon, we have to rotate 45 degrees to get this cross icon. So now you can see in our website, you can get all of this now.